Vanilla bean sugar has so many uses. It's often used in German baking. You can try it in your coffee, you can try it in your tea. You can even use it in your DIY sugar scrubs too. It makes cake have a better flavor, in my opinion, than vanilla extract. Let me share the recipe with you. Hi, it's Debbie with Debbie's Kitchen Corner. If you are new here, welcome. And don't forget to subscribe to enjoy our new delicious recipes each day. Let's begin.
Pour half of a cup of sugar in a small Ziploc bag and set aside. Now cut open one vanilla bean. Scrape out the inside of the bean, which are really tiny seeds. When it's all scraped out, drop it into the bag with the sugar. So then close the bag and mix this into the sugar. You can also use a food processor as well if you want to and if you have one. I will just work the seed paste into the sugar. After it's mixed well, you can fill the sugar in a glass. You can use a small mason glass like I do, or you can buy a glass with an airtight lid. Whatever you prefer. It smells really awesome. Let the leftover pot dry until tomorrow. But you can also already cut the pot in smaller pieces and let it dry until tomorrow, whichever you like to do. The vanilla bean pieces have now dried overnight and I can add them to the sugar. You can keep them in the sugar and that way it will keep the flavor fresh. Mix it up a little and keep it in the glass with a lid. So whenever you open the container, you will have this amazing aroma in the air. In the future, when you bake a cake, use this vanilla sugar instead of vanilla extract, and you will taste the difference. I hope you will give this a try in your next cake, coffee, or whatever else you have in mind. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video. And of course, I will see you next time.